This is an informative video for my HVAC guys, preferably the rookies. Now, do you know the difference between the hot water boiler and the steam boiler? Both of these are boilers. Can you tell me which one is hot water and which one is steam? One goes to a radiator right there. The next one goes to a baseboard. You see that right there? So boom, let's start with the steam. The reason how you know what steam is, boiler versus a hot water boiler, is because the steam has a sight glass. So steam meaning that water comes up to a certain point and then it steams off. You see what I'm saying? No water rising above a certain point. Hot water means the water gonna keep on rising, keep on going up. You understand? Until it fills up the radiators. And then the radiators fill with hot water. You understand? What steam just comes up and fills up the radiators with steam and then lets it out. So you can have hot water or you can have steam. You did? So let's go with the steam. As you can see, the steam has more components on that. Like you see the sight glass, you see the pressure regulator, pressure troll, which lets you know the pressure on a steam only goes to 2. So that's why a troll is set for 2. As soon as it go more than 2, it's gonna blow. Okay? And also, you got the gas valve down here. You got the board. On the inside, you got the Honeywell stack. It's right here where you get going to your gas valve, your 24 volts, your spark igniter. All that is on here. Then you got transformer. Then you got your sensor. We call this like a donkey dick. But you got your sensor. Now, you got to pull all this off and clean this when it comes to maintenance. All right? Next thing you got, the damper. So you see them all the parts you're going to change out. Oh, and I forgot about this, your water feed. You did? So you got water feed, damper, all the valves get changed out. Pressure control right here, pressure valve, sight glass, gas valve. See that? Parts get changed out. You feel me? And this get clogged up. All this got to be pulled off when you're doing the maintenance and clean. See the pigtail, all that? You got to take it all apart, clean it all out. Then when this gets sooted, meaning it get filled with soot, you got to take this off, brush the soot out. That take about 2 hours. That's for steam. I'm back over here. Before we leave the steam, this right here called a Harford loop. That's when the piping come underneath the boiler. You got 2 type of piping. This piping called Harford loop. You did? Now we're going over here to the hot water. As you can see, we got the take-over pump. That's another reason no difference between hot water and steam. As you can see, the steam just has a sight glass, no pump. You can see the hot water has a pump, and that's what pumps up the water through the pipes, through the house, to the radiators. See what I'm saying? Now remember, when you install this right here, this has an arrow on it. It got to be going the right direction. You did, which should be pumping up. So this would be supply side, and this would be the return side. You see it right there. That's where we drain it from when this pressure gets too high on here. What's the pressure on here can't go above 30. You get that pressure high, you releasing that water through that valve right there. Now, this is a pressure switch right there, and a temperature pressure switch. When this thing get over a certain temperature, 30 pressure, PSI, and the temperature rating, I think it's 174, it's gonna blow. You know what I mean? Just like on the water heater over here, got a pressure valve right here. So when this got temperature, you get the 180 on here, and it's get certain 212. At a certain pressure, this gonna blow. So I mean, pressure valves. Like I say, it's another damper right here. This damper opens up, then it sends a signal in here, turns on the burners. Another valve right here. This a hydrostat. This get replaced. Another part. You got the gas valves, the burners. All these are safeties. So again, we're working with hot water. And remember, the gas valve. You did? So yeah, man, that's what it's all about, man. Steam, man. Steam. Everything steamy, steamy. Hot water, baby. You did? Boilers, man. Baltimore City, man. Boiler. Heaven, you did?